Hello kids! Today we will learn colors name and counting numbers and English alphabets. At first we will learn colors name. Say with me colors name. Pink, parrot green, orange, yellow, blue, black, sky blue, peach, violet, red, brown, green. Write with me A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for flower. G. G is for guava. H. H is for horse. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for juice. K. K is for king. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. F. F is for thunder. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rainbow. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violet. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. G. G is for zebra. Count with me. 1. Say with me. 1. 2. Say with me. 2. 3. Say with me. 3. 4. Say with me. 4. 5. Say with me. 5. 6. Say with me. 6. 7. Say with me. 7, 8. Say with me, 8. 9. Say with me, 9. 1 and 0. 10. Say with me, 10. Again count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Subscribe for more video.